Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Acer 16 how to fix color not changing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If the keyboard color on your Acer Nitro 16 is not changing, then what you can do is first check if your model supports RGB colors. Some Nitro 16 models only have red backlighting, means that the color cannot be changed. To check your model specs, you can head over to your browser and then open up Acer support website, and then here you can enter your laptop model number and check if it supports RGB lighting. Then second is to restart your Nitro Sense. Head over and open up your Nitro Sense, and here go to the keyboard settings, that is the pulsar lighting tab, and here check to see if the colors are changing. If it doesn't work, close Nitro Sense, then restart your laptop and then try again. Then you can also update your Nitro Sense and drivers as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.